cancer itself, maybe not necessarily, but a lot of the drugs and chemo that are used to treat and fight cancer definitely affect the hearing. So if you are undergoing treatment for cancer, Alabama Hearing Associates would love to be able to be a part of that journey and keep baseline tests on you throughout the process. So a baseline hearing test is what we like to start with. It helps us be able to monitor your hearing throughout the years to see if there has been a shift or a change in the hearing over time. If you have a baseline, if there has been a shift, so that we know what we are comparing to, so that we know what we're dealing with when it comes to potentially what's happened.